Imagine standing in your kitchen, transforming from a stressed out cook to a culinary ninja in just 15 minutes.
Mando style, like a ninja.
Not anymore. Wait, did you hear that? That's the sound of your old cooking struggles vanishing. Poof! Because what I'm about to share isn't just another cooking tutorial. These are battle-tested food hacks that will revolutionize how you navigate your kitchen. Have you ever felt like cooking is a war against time, where chopping onions feels like navigating a minefield and peeling garlic seems like solving a Rubik's Cube? Most people spend hours in the kitchen, wrestling with ingredients, battling inefficient techniques. But not you, not after today. Before we dive deep, let me ask you something. How much would you pay to save 30 minutes in the kitchen every single day? $50. Squirrel. Sorry, got distracted by how awesome these hacks are. Hack number 1, the garlic whisperer. Peeling garlic in 15 seconds, challenge accepted. Grab 2 bowls, place garlic cloves inside. Shake like you're at a dance party, voila, perfectly peeled garlic. Hack number 2, onion. Tear terminator, no more crying over chopped onions. Here's the secret weapon. Cold water, sharp knife, ace tear-free chopping. Hack number 3, the perfect egg hack. Forget complicated egg boiling rituals. Our method, simple, foolproof, delicious. But here's the real question. Are you ready to transform your kitchen from a stress zone to an efficiency paradise? These aren't just hacks.
And please don't bring any stress into the...
Try these hacks today. Comment below with your results. Share with a friend who needs kitchen salvation. Your kitchen efficiency starts now. Pro tips for kitchen mastery. Organize like a fuss. Label everything. Embrace the first in, first out rule. Who knew cooking could be this fun?